is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Halloween edition. We are kicking things off with this killer clown makeup look. The nice thing about it is that you don't have to be too precise about it. It's still gonna look fucking badass. And I did end up loving this look, so I hope you guys give it a try and stay tuned to watch the video. So today I'm doing my eyebrows with my Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. I just need my eyebrows darker today, so that's why I'm going back with this instead of my brow duo or whatever the fuck it's called. So I start off by underlining my brows, and then I go to the top of the brow. My dip brow's probably expired. I haven't used this shit in literally so fucking long. I don't even know if I still know how to use it. So yeah, once the top and bottom are lined, I'm just gonna fill in the brow. I never bring the product to the front of my brows. I just brush it out with the spoolie. Sorry that I sound like a man. I'm trying to get over this cold. Now I'm cleaning up my eyebrows with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my e.l.f. Concealer Brush. And I'm just going to do my face makeup the way I normally do it. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. Now I'm adding my Wet n Wild's Flow to Focus Foundation in Soft Beige and Golden Beige. Mixing it on my face with my silicone sponge. And now I'm pressing it in with my Damp Beauty Blender. Now I'm adding some of the Maybelline Master Concealer, and I'm adding it a little lower compared to where I usually add it. I'm also going to add a bit to the center of the forehead. And again, I'm pressing it in with my Damp Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to set my face with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, and I'm going to press it in where I applied the concealer. Now I'm just setting the rest of my face with the same powder. Today I'm going to be bronzing up my face a bit more than I usually do, and I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. From the 35B palette, I'm picking up the white shade, and I'm gonna add a little bit of white to my forehead, and right here, wherever the fuck this is. Now I'm gonna add some of the e.l.f. liner in black, and I'm just adding that all over my eyelid, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Now picking up the black shade with the Morphe E17. I look like a fucking panda. And I'm just gonna set the eyelid with that. Then I'm gonna start blending out the edge of the black. And if you guys notice, I'm just going in circular motions to blend out the black. And I'm still using the Morphe E17. I'm taking the MAC Single Shadow in Nylon, and I'm adding a bit to the tear duct. The cool thing about this is that you don't have to be too precise. If you guys notice, this one came out bomb, and then this one came out super messy. But it's alright, because we're still going to add a bit more black. With the Morphe 332, I'm picking up the red shade, and I'm adding that to the bottom of the eye. And I'm going to concentrate the red right under the eye, and then once I'm pulling it a little bit more down, it's going to be a little bit more diffused. Now with the Morphe R45 and the e.l.f. eyeliner, I'm going to add a very dramatic wing.
I was rolling through the hood one day, but I thought shit didn't calm down. Gang banging and played out by the year since I've been around.
Now with the same eyeliner and the same brush, I'm gonna add these fucking triangles over here.
And I was late getting home, the blunt, now she animated. Motivate you like a foggy mist. You gotta give me a under spot. Make me hit museum like be legit. I'm trying to bump my head up.
And with this eyeliner, you might need to add a few layers because it kind of sucks sometimes. Now I'm blending in some black with the R43. And I think I'm gonna add contacts, but I'm scared as shit because I haven't used contacts in literally like 10 years. Literally. But I feel like this look would just be way better with contacts, so let me give it a try. No mames.
Two hours later.
I got it.
¿Cómo que no sabes? ¡Ay! ¡Loca, quítate eso! ¡Azúcar, feo! Hasta parece que te quieres poner la punta de ese demonio. Mejor persínate lo que has de hacer. Persínate y encomiéndate a Dios.
With the back of my brush and the eyeliner, I'm just gonna add these little dots right here. Bolitas. Alright, so now I'm gonna add triangles to the bottom of my eye. But I'm gonna do these longer and thinner. Alright guys, so this is where we're at, and I'm thinking of maybe adding another line right here, but just a smaller one. So something like that. There we go, and we're gonna add two more bolitas right here. So now I'm gonna line my lips with the same eyeliner, and I'm still using the Morphe R45. And I kind of don't want them like perfect lines, so I'm gonna try to make it a little bit wavy or just imperfect. And I'm taking this red pigment by Bisou and I'm gonna press it into the center of my lips. Okay, so now it's time to move on to my chest, and I'm gonna use a small dance brush and a black shadow to lightly outline the shit. Okay. So I'm gonna make a line kind of down the middle. Oh shit, this brush still has red on it. Oops. Now I'm just gonna kind of even out the streaks with my finger. Okay, so it's finally glitter time, and I'm using this glitter that I actually just got from Walmart. It's regular craft glitter. And those jumbo liners are actually tacky enough to where the glitter is actually just gonna stick onto that. Now I'm going in with red, and I'm adding that over the black. And I'm trying to leave some sort of border so that it has an outline. Now I'm gonna add a nose, and I'm still taking that same eyeliner. And I'm adding red glitter to the center of it. I mixed some clear brow gel and red glitter, and I'm adding it to my lips. Now I'm just taking a tiny bit of brow gel, and I'm just gonna kind of dot it on the outer part of the red, and I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter right there as well. I'm gonna slightly curl my lashes so that I can add some falsies. Now I'm lining my waterline with my NYX eye pencil. So here I have the Vegas Night Allure Shining Star Lashes. Alright guys, so that wraps up our first video for the Halloween edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys give this look a try. Stay tuned for more Halloween makeup looks.